Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So you can see we got the Bronco home safe and sound. Took a little bit of four-wheeling to get it out of there, but got that pulled off. So today we're going to take the OBS gasser in. We're going to go see the guys at Shell Rapid Lube, and buddy AJ's going to go ahead and do a little install on the gasser. Now that old truck's got a tape deck in it, so of course it doesn't have anything up to date. No Bluetooth, none of that good stuff, so got to get some tunes in there. We're going to change out the deck and the 4 factory speakers for something a little bit better. So stay tuned and we'll get to that. So what we're going to be putting in the old gasser today, we've got a few things that AJ's got us set up with. Got the JVC Memphis MTX combination, JVC deck, Bluetooth. Then we've got the 6.5 Memphis door speakers. And then the 6x8 MTX speakers. Alrighty, well Sean's already tearing right into it, so got the door panel off. A bunch of these little clips are already broken just from age, or wore out, so we did get new clips put in. A little dusty. Already gutted that out. Luckily the wires weren't cut, it's still just a harness, so it'll be a plug and play. Pretty easy. There's Sean, hard at work. And just like that, the other panel's off. Got the rear speaker already pulled. Get that out. Front speaker.
Alright, so here's an easy way to find their positive and negative if you don't know what it is on your door speakers. Let's get a 9-volt battery, have a couple wires, get your connector, and then you just kind of touch them together, and what you're looking for is the speaker to go outwards, like, you know, like it's pushing out music. If it comes back like towards the magnet like it is right now, you got it backwards. So you just flip it over, now it's pushing out like it's supposed to. That's it, real simple.
So by checking that on the speaker, then you just color coordinate with what's coming out of the truck, and you have your positive and negative. So there we are, all done. Got a stereo in there, sounds nice, better than that old tape deck. At least now I can use my phone to listen to music. So thanks again for tuning in. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.